Hey there, in today's video we're going to see how we can reset the oil change indicator on our Ford Focus 2020 or the maintenance interval indicator. We will do this once we have changed the oil so it starts counting again. For that we'll need to have the car turned on in garage position, meaning we insert the key and turn it once. And a second time to the second, as you can see, the little lights turn on and it will light up here on the screen, the little icons, okay? On these buttons here, we're going to press the OK button first. A creamy one that, as you can see, will give us a menu that we can scroll up and down. We're going to go to settings and press this button with 3 lines on it. A new screen will pop up with the square over the information that we can move up and down with this button. We press OK. Once we are here, we move down to oil status and press OK. And what we would need to do here is go to reset the oil status. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to reset it, and then press OK again. And the warning light would automatically turn off and the car will understand that the oil has been changed and you reset the reminder.